Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Popmart error 500 when you're unable to process your order or can't complete a purchase. This error usually happens because of server issues, account glitches, or payment problems. First, try refreshing the Popmart app or website. Close it completely and reopen it. Sometimes the error is just a temporary server hiccup. If that doesn't work, log out of your account and log back in. This refreshes your session and can clear minor bugs. Next, check Popmart's official social media or website to see if they're experiencing downtime. If servers are fine, try clearing your browser cookies or cache, or in the app, clear cache through your phone's app settings. If the issue happens during checkout, switch to a different payment method or remove and re-add your payment details. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa in case your network is causing the problem. If none of these steps fix it, contact Popmart customer service with your order details and a screenshot of the error. They can manually process your order or tell you if there's a backend issue. And that's how you fix Popmart's error 500 so you can successfully place your order. Thanks for watching.